Purchase orders by item report. From this report, you can view what are the items in purchase orders. You can access this report from Items, Reports, Supplier purchase orders by item. From report filters, you can select items. You can select active, inactive or both items. You can select item categories. You can select item type. From report options, you can select date range. From style, you can select summary or detailed report. From purchase order status, you can select confirmed purchase orders, cancelled purchase orders, pending purchase orders, overdue purchase orders, invoice purchase orders or all purchase orders. Hit view report. From this report, in summary report, you can view what are the items, total quantity, total cost. You can view each item, quantity and cost, and you can view the grand total. We will generate detailed report. In detailed report, you can view transaction-wise report. You can view purchase order date, purchase order number, supplier name, delivery date, status of the purchase order, quantity, unit price, and total purchases. In detailed report, you can view item-wise total and grand total. You can generate purchase order report from supplier module, suppliers, reports, supplier purchase orders by supplier, in supplier purchase orders by supplier report, purchase orders grouped by supplier name. In purchase orders by item report, purchase orders grouped by item. Supplier purchase orders by supplier report you can generate in home currency or supplier's currency. However, purchase orders by item report you can view only home currency. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original document. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel and these formats. You can print or email this report.